So guys, we have considered the elimination method. Now we're going to consider the substitution method, and this one might be a tricky one, so you have to be very watchful of what you are doing so you won't make a mistake. So for substitution method, first thing that we have to do is to make one of our letters the subject of the formula. So we have to pick one of this equation. You can decide to pick equation 1, you can decide to pick equation 2, but let's pick our equation 2 for example. So let's pick equation 2, and then so we write from equation 2. So we have from equation 2. So we are making x solid formula. You can make y, you can decide to make y, you can decide to make x. So I'm making x solid formula. So I'm having x equals 11 minus 5y all over 3. So you should have watched my video on how to make a particular letter subject of the formula. So I've made my x with formula. So now I can just substitute. So I can name this my equation 3. I can name this particular guy my equation 3. Then I substitute my equation 3 into my equation 1. Do not make the mistake of substituting it into equation 2, because we have used our equation 2 to get our equation 3. So we should not substitute the equation 3 into equation 2. So substitute it into what? Equation 1. So if you substitute it into equation 1, we have 4 open brackets, 4 in big brackets, we have 11 minus 5y over 3 plus 2y equals 10. Then we open out our bracket, giving us 44 minus 20y all over 3 plus 2y equals what? 10. So what we have to do next, some of you will just make this one over 1 and start looking for your LCM, but for fast solving you shouldn't do that. What you should do is look at this 3, multiply this 3. So let me just say 3. Okay, let me say multiply the LCM of these numbers by all these numbers that's up here. So the LCM is 3, because 3 times 1 is 3, and this one is having 1. So you just use 3. So we use 3 to multiply every set of numbers or letters. So we use 3 to multiply these guys, we use 3 to multiply these guys, and we use 3 to multiply these guys. So now let's do that. So if you add 3 here, 3 times this guy, 3 times 44 minus 20y over 3, we just cancel this 3 by what? By this 3, leaving us with 44 minus 20y. So I should write that somewhere here. So I have my 44 minus 20y. So that I have my 44 minus 20y. Then 3 is also times in this 2y, giving us 3 times 2y, which is 6y. So that is a plus 6y. And then 3 times our 10 also. So don't forget the 10. Also use 3 times the 10, giving us what? 30. Giving us 30. So minus 20y plus 6y is minus 14y equals, then we have 30 minus 44. So our 44 is moving to the other side of the equality sign, giving us minus 44. So we have minus 14y equals minus 14. So our y equals 1. So our y equals 1. Now, getting our y, it is very easy to continue solving. So we just have to substitute our y into our equation 3 right here. So we have x equals 11 minus 5. So anywhere you see y in the equation, put 1. So let's just put our 1 here, all over 3. So we have this. So 11 minus 5 times 1 is 6. Then divided by 3, we have our x 2. So our x is 2, and is what? Y is 1. So this is how to solve a simultaneous equation using substitution method. Please subscribe to this channel, like the video and comment so I can see how you enjoyed this class. Thank you.